One person is under arrest after a deadly shooting in Tampa, Florida. Police say that 2 people are dead and 16 others are injured. The alleged shooter, a 22-year-old named Tyrell Stephen Phillips, is facing second-degree murder charges. Police say he opened fire when a fight broke out around 3 this morning. The people who died were 14 and 22 years old. One teenager in Delaware died and 2 others were wounded after a shooting in the town of Laurel. It happened around 3 this afternoon. Police are remaining tight-lipped about the investigation, but they say there's no threat to the public. At least 1 person was killed in a shooting in Indianapolis early this morning. Shots were still being fired when police arrived, although police haven't said they know how many people were shooting. 1 woman died, 8 others were injured. The investigation continues. Matthew Perry died yesterday of an apparent drowning at his Pacific Palisades home. A representative for the actor and a law enforcement source say. NBC's Chloe Morales has more on the life and legacy of the Friends actor.
I left a message. I have some pride.
Do you?
No.
This morning, fans paying tribute to Matthew Perry, best known for his beloved role as Chandler Bing on the 90s hit sitcom Friends.
Could I be more sorry?
The 54-year-old found dead at his LA home on Saturday. Authorities say he appeared to have drowned.
You have to stop the Q-tip when there's resistance.
With a dry and self-deprecating wit, Perry helped transform Friends into a 90s cultural touchstone. The show running 10 seasons, Perry starring in all 234 episodes.
So how many cameras are actually on you?
Perry would go on to star in a string of hit films like The Whole 9 Yards and Fools Rush In.
Chewie, hi, Luke Skywalker.
But off-screen, he struggled, battling years-long addictions to drugs and alcohol.
To me, I felt like I was going to die if they didn't laugh.
The actor said he went to rehab 15 times, detox 65 times. Perry detailing his decades-long battle in a 2022 memoir titled Friends, Lovers, and the Big Terrible Thing. In an interview with ABC's Diane Sawyer at the time, he said he found it hard to rewatch old episodes of his most famous show.
I feel sorry for that guy. Because that's a guy that's out of control.
This morning, tributes pouring in for the 90s TV icon who made us laugh, but struggled with his own demons. A statement posted to the official Friends Instagram account reading, "He was a true gift to us all. Our heart goes out to his family, loved ones, and all of his fans."
Still to come on News Center Maine, an unforgettable trip for veterans from Maine, plus one way that Lewiston Auburn community is trying to restore a sense of normalcy.
Tracking the storm that's moving through tonight into tomorrow. Find out how much rain and snow, yes, snow is coming. Up with the energy because it's like it's like, you know, I have to be me, but at the same time it's like there's an elephant in the room. The people are you know, it's like I don't want to be bouncing off the walls or anything. Not that I ever overdo it, I think, but I have
Jason Nappy back with us now. Quite the switch up in weather. Yesterday we had shorts and t-shirts. Today I was driving and there was sleet coming down on our car.
Yeah, and we flipped the switch to winter just about. And it's not even Halloween yet.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, technically maybe we're not 2 days because it's 11:47, right? So we're not quite, but I mean, you get the idea. Halloween's around the corner, okay? This is going to happen in Maine. This is nothing really new to us. In Bangor tonight, 39 showers late, okay? Mostly rain, little sleet mixing in there. I'll get to that here in the hour by hour. I want to get right to the hour by hour to show you what's going on at midnight here. So the rain's going to be in southern Maine, the southern coast especially. Temperatures in the 40s. But that wind's coming in from the east here. So what's going to happen as you wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning, here's that kind of rain snow line, sleet, ice pellet situation going on. And that would be right here just south of Bangor. Bangor's coming in there, a little bit of light snow. Now, as we get to the day on Monday, watch here as this line starts to push north a bit. In Bangor, you're on that battleground between sleet, light snow, and also some rain mixing in. Northern half of the state here. I expect definitely in the western mountains you're going to get snow, especially on the highest summits in places like Jackman, Rangeley, heading up into the northern highlands, the north woods, Longfellow Mountains, the Appalachian Mountains, yes. Now, by afternoon Monday, the storm just wraps up. It's over with, okay? So rainfall amounts here, I'm going to think about basically about here south. It's going to be about ½ inch to an inch all the way down in York County in Sanford. As far as sleet and snow goes, it'll be light, around an inch at most of that kind of combination packed in. But then 2 to 6 up here, Boundary Plateau, North Woods, Northern Highlands, up towards Millinocket, Katahdin, right? And then it's all over. And then we got our friend, been with us all weekend, Alex. Yes, there's our guy right there, the dancing mummy, right? Is that what we call him, right? 40, 34, and 31, and you're doing the, things with the kids, right? So that is obviously on Halloween. Looks fantastic. I mean, certainly need the winter coat, though. Sun's going to go down. It's going to get cold quickly. How about the wind gusting to 20 knots for the Mariners? Small craft has dropped into the forecast the next few days. Monday, it's rainy and cold. Obviously, there will be snow as you head north, so keep that in mind. It depends where you are, okay? Tuesday, it's sunny and cold everywhere. Wednesday, it's a brief shower, 43 to 46. And then the next few days after that, I mean, it's chilly, 20s inland. I mean, hard freezes are coming. Also, do watch out in the county. There's going to be an opportunity for a flash freeze tomorrow night and then single-digit wind chills up Tuesday morning. Now, I'm talking about the county. But everyone else, this will be pretty tolerable for us. And we'll make a run for 60 Saturday. Probably not quite get there at the coast, but any run for 60, even if we're only a couple degrees off as we get into November, yes. And by the way, also Sunday, daylight saving time ends.
Oh, that's right.
So you think it's getting dark early now. Just wait until
Just you wait.
Sunday. Yes.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Jason.